Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a swipe prototype in Figma. First, we will prepare our design frames, ensuring they are consistent in size and layout. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth transition between screens. We'll then move on to populating these frames with your desired content, whether it's images, text, or other UI elements. This guide will help you build an intuitive user experience for your designs. Now, let's set up our frames. Begin by creating 3 to 5 frames, each measuring, for example, 375 pixels wide by 812 pixels high, representing different screens. Populate each frame with unique content, like an image and a short description. Next, arrange these individual frames horizontally side by side within a larger parent frame. This parent frame will act as our viewport for the swipe interaction. With your frames ready, it's time to add the interactive swipe. Navigate to the Prototype tab in Figma. Select an element on your first frame, then drag a connection arrow to the next frame. In the interaction details, choose on drag as the trigger. For the animation, select Smart Animate to ensure a seamless and visually appealing transition. Repeat this process for all your frames, connecting them in both directions to allow for back-and-forth swiping. Finally, let's refine and test your swipe prototype. After setting up all your connections, you can fine-tune the animation duration, perhaps to 300 milliseconds, and experiment with different easing options like ease out for a more natural feel. Click the Present button to preview your prototype. Swipe through your frames to confirm that all interactions work as intended. Make any necessary adjustments to achieve a polished and intuitive user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.